Hi guys, back to my channel. In this video, we have another model. I made that wild lion set into a bird. It doesn't stand. I have to bend it quickly. Downwards. Yeah, there it stands. Here's a worm too. From that build. Worm escaping from the bird. So let's check the sides. Yeah, on the head sides. We have some hard pieces. Yeah, they come and I put like this. And some black piece. Here's a beak. Blue eyes. Yeah, it comes from all sets for the eyes. Here's like open these wings. They flap up, up, down, anywhere. Yeah. Here's the white things. Yeah, they come from. And another white thing. The circling. Okay, now let's check the tail. Move it up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's check the worm. It has a black eye and a small little worm with a pink body. Let's remove the parts. Here's the black dot that runs everywhere. Now put it. Now it can move down and up, down and up. Even these things can move a little bit down, yeah, like here, and oops, these legs, yeah, like this. Okay, I didn't build something with it. So yeah, guys. So 2 days ago, I built the lion into a troll. So I removed it and built something I forgot. Yeah, it was a snake transformer. So today I take it out and build a bird. That's it for all, guys. Now the next video is gonna be a troll, so I need to build it. It's coming today. Yeah, my parents will upload it. I'll make a new one today. Okay, bye.